What's up, you guys? Rob here. I figured I would do this little series, a little interesting series for you guys, a What Sells series. If you don't know me, my name's Rob. I sell single cards on my eBay, and I sell my sealed product on my website. And for you guys to figure out sort of what's selling in the single market of Pokemon and other TCGs, and for you guys to follow along, I share tips, tricks, strategies, how to package, how to ship your products, how to ship singles, and for it to get to its destination safely. So if you guys like that sort of thing, follow along and let's get to it. Alright, so we got a pretty good little day today. We got 19 sales as far as singles, and we had a little bit of sealed products sell as well on eBay. Like, I sell my booster boxes, like the sealed boxes, on my website, but like, let's say if I buy a bunch of pin collections or tins, now all that stuff is super expensive to ship. So what I like to do is I break it down and I sell the packs in lots. I sell the promos on eBay and stuff like that. So it takes down on shipping and it helps your bottom line. So any like sort of large pin collection that I get, I'll break it down, sell the packs individually, open up what I want to open up, get the stuff I want to get graded, sell the singles I want to sell myself. And yeah, so that's what I do with that. Alright, so let's get into the first card that sold. We got a Machamp GX. This is from Burning Shadows. This sold for $4.99. Pretty good. Alright, next sale we got, these are three cards, a little bit of a lower value sale, but this is what I said in my last video, guys. The lower value cards, sometimes people pick up multiple copies. So this is three sales. We got a Clefable Reverse Holo. This is all from Vivid Voltage. We got a Galarian Berserker Reverse Holo and an Execute Reverse Holo. So all those put together sold for $5.02. Now this is going to go in a plain white envelope. Now the next sale, we got two Reverse Holo Energies from XY Evolutions. Now this is where you get into a sort of a sticky situation. These sold for $5.50 a piece, so this person's all in $11. Now this is sort of on the threshold for me of putting tracking and doing first class mail tracking with a bubble mailer. But I think I'm just gonna do a plain white envelope and ship it that way. Yeah, it's right around that threshold of like where I put tracking on, around $15, $20. But guys, if you don't know, in the future, not Amazon, eBay is going to do a trackable plain white envelope for trading cards. So this is huge news for the trading card market on eBay. So you'll be able to track first class mail tracking on a plain white envelope for less than $1. So these type of sales, you really won't have to risk it. You'll just do tracking for $1 instead of $3. It adds up. The next sale we got was a Dugong Reverse Holo from Evolutions. Now I did open up a lot of Evolutions and I'm slowly selling through all the Reverse Holos. That sold for $2.49. That's going to go in a plain white envelope. Alright, next sale we got was a secret rare from Burning Shadows. This is a Tapu Bulu Rainbow Rare. Now again, with this one as well, this one sold for $11.99, so I think I'm going to do a plain white envelope with this. And guys, if you ever come across this situation, you don't feel comfortable putting in the plain white envelope, you can always put tracking on it. But you get to that point where it's like sort of almost half the value of the card that you're going to lose with shipping. Is it worth it? I don't know. So this one sold for $11.99. Alright, now we got a really big order where this is what I'm talking about. This is where you're going to make your like your big money. This is like this was a 9-card order, I think, or 8, yeah, 9 cards, all from Darkness Ablaze. So this is someone trying to complete their master set. We got here Grimmsnarl V, Butterfree V, Rhypure V, whatever, Galarian Slowbro V. We got a Centiskorch V. So much stuff this person ordered. Scizor V, Stunfisk V, Solomance V, and a Grimmsnarl VMAX. Now this whole order came to $32.87. This is gonna go in a bubble mailer. I'll show you how I do big orders like this. This cannot go in a plain white envelope. It is a $32 order too, so this is gonna go in a bubble mailer. I do a top loader on the front and a top loader on the back, team bagged. And I'll show you what else I do. So what else? This is what what the other thing I do is, I go to the post office. I get the free boxes from the post office. I cut out little cubes in the size of the card. One goes on the back, one goes on the front, and then it goes into the bubble mailer. Now, when it goes in there, nothing's gonna happen to these cards. You got 2 top loaders and cardboard. This is gonna make it to its destination safely. Looks beautiful. Now guys, these are 4x8 bubble mailers. You can get a case of 500 of these on eBay for around $28. So, gotta save your money somehow, you know? Gotta help that bottom line. All right, now what I do is I weigh it right there. I got my little scale, 1.8 ounces. Now anything under 3 ounces, it's one rate, so it doesn't matter. You can just put 3 ounces. Now all I do is I print out my shipping. And now guys, you get yourself a zebra printer. They're super cool, man. Right there, bang. Look at that. No post office trips. Your label's ready to rock. Now we just peel it off, stick it on, and your cards are ready, buddy, and on their way to you. This was another thing that sold, non-trading card related, but I do open these up on the channel and they're pretty cool, but I don't keep the pins. This sold right here, 10 bucks. Took a best offer, I had it up for like $17. Took a best offer at $10. Not bad. That sold, these are sealed packs. We got 9 sealed packs of Breakthrough. I got these from the Team Skull Pin collection. I bought about 15 to I think 20 cases of those, and I opened them up and I took out all the Evolutions packs, and I did not want the Breakthrough packs, so I am selling them. Now I sold them in lots of 9 for I believe $34.95 each, and this person bought 2 lots of 9. So yeah, the pin collections came with Breakthrough packs, Breakpoint packs, Evolution pack, and Burning Shadow packs. I wanted the Evolution packs and the Burning Shadow packs for the Charizard, of course. I didn't want the Breakthrough or Breakpoint packs because it had nothing of interest for me. So I made lots and I'm selling them. I'll show you how I ship these. I do a little trick with these bad boys. I like to get the cards to the people safely and securely, so this is how I do it. How I do it is I bubble wrap each individual lot. So I'll bubble wrap this guy nicely, fold in the corners, bubble wrap the second one. Now the post office gives you these for free. They're little small priority boxes. Now I'll just make this box up. I don't mail it priority, I mail it first class because priority is expensive. And tell you the truth, right now, priority is probably slower than stamped mail. It's crazy. So we made the box. Now the packs go in the box. Then we close up the box. Now, to get past the priority, because if you try to mail this first class, actually, let's see if it's over a pound. It might be over a pound. We might have to send to priority. Nope. 15 ounces, right under the radar, baby. All right, so now what I do is I put it in a poly bag to sort of not show that it's in a priority box. And this also protects it from water. So let's say if it's raining, pouring, it's not gonna get through this bag. So those cards will be safe. They're in a poly bag, they're in a box, and then in another bag. So no water's getting in there. And guys, that's it for today. That's all the sales we have. And I want to hear your tips, tricks, and strategies. If you sell singles on eBay or anything like that, I want to hear your tips, tricks, and strategies to help increase your bottom line and help each other out here. That's what I want to do here. I want to help each other out, and you know, your nightmares. I want to hear your tips, tricks. I want to hear your shipping nightmares. I want to hear everything, guys. let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.